This tutorial I will show you guys how to generate ultra realistic posters and photos with ChatGPT, but here we are going to focus on the latest version, which is ChatGPT 2.0. And here first, how to generate realistic AI images with ChatGPT. Now to generate it here there are many ways to use ChatGPT Image 2.0. Here I'm going to use this chart to use ChatGPT 2.0, which I will leave the link in the description section. Now here, let me click on it here. Now here you can see it is using ChatGPT Image 2. You can see here. Now here, what to do now here to create a realistic images, which is the new improved form of ChatGPT Image 2.0. Here you can see, select it here. You can see here, select it here. Now select the aspect ratio, the resolution, and the image output, how many you want it to generate here by clicking this icon here. You can see here. Now select the aspect ratio you want it to be, the resolution you want it to be, and the number of outputs here. Now after selecting it like this, let me leave it on this portrait here. Now here, select the aspect ratio you like here. Let me leave it on 1K. Now select the number of output here. Now here, after selecting it like this, click on it here to remove it. Now select the ChatGPT to use the thinking. Here, if you have not yet subscribed to the ChatGPT, here you can use this one and also enjoy ChatGPT Image 2.0, but the process is still the same. Now here, what to do now is to upload the image or just type the image here you want it to generate here. Let me type the prompt and then explain. Now here you can see what I type. Generate an ultra realistic image. Always remember to put comma here in order to prompt it, but it's natural or you can remove it. But ChatGPT Image 2.0, it is designed to create image perfectly more than other AI generating image tools. Now here, after typing it like this, you can see of a man eating pizza with his family. Now after typing it, what you will do now is to send it to generate it here, and then wait for it. They might ask you to sign up here. Here, sign up with any email of your choice. Here I will use my Google account to sign up into the free ChatGPT. Now I've signed up into this ChatGPT agent, which is using ChatGPT Image 2.0 here. Now you can also refer images for it to generate a replica or the same image or a duplicate image to the image you want here by uploading a refer image here. Now after pasting or typing the prompt, what you do now is to click on this generate here and generate it. Now as you can see the result here, you can see the result of the prompt, how it generated. Is so realistic that everything seems like a snap with a smartphone. Here you can see. Now you can download it by clicking on this downloading icon here. Just as you can see here, I've downloaded it. Now how to design posters using ChatGPT Image 2.0 here. Now let's go to the ChatGPT original platform and use the ChatGPT Image 2.0 here. You have paid for the premium package on ChatGPT here. Now click on chatgpt.com here. Click on it. If you have the application, it will bring you to the application now, but the process here is still the same in order to design a poster. Now here there is two ways to design a poster in ChatGPT Image 2.0. The first one is referring and the second one is typing the prompt. Here the first one, referring a poster here like this. First, upload the poster you want to refer here for it to generate a replica or duplicate it using but in your own form. Here like this, click on photos. Now click on the poster here and click on done. Now upload the image you want to use to look like the other one like this. Here, upload the image here and click on files. Go to the storage where you save the image. You want to change it, you look in duplicate like the poster here. Now here I will use this image here. Now here tap this. And here send it. Now after typing it like this, you can also change the icon. You can also change the write up, change the color. What you want to change, just type it to change this to this. Now here after typing everything, What you do now is to send the message by clicking on this up arrow icon here. Wait for it. Now here you can see the results. You can also edit it by clicking on this edit here. Here you can select the areas you want to edit. You can change the aspect ratio here. You can describe what you want to edit here in the image here. Now after changing everything done, you can then click on share or download it by clicking on this icon here. Or if you are using a desktop or computer, what you do is just press on it like this, then click on copy, share or save or share here. I will click on save and save it. You can see how I describe the post. Now the second one, which is typing the prompt here. Now to generate it, open a new chat with ChatGPT here by clicking on this new chat here. You start up a new chat with ChatGPT here like this. You can also download it here by clicking on this downloading icon here. If you are using desktop here, you can see, you can share, you can download, you can here I will download. Now remove it. As you can see, it's downloading. Now here click on new chat here. You can start a new chat with ChatGPT, but if you want to use the 2.0 here, click on generate image here. Now first upload the photo or the image you want to create the poster for. Poster here by clicking on this plus icon and then click on add photo and files here. Now go to storage where you save the image or photo here. Now let me create a poster on this butterfly cross red here. Now here is where the trick setting. And here look at the picture here. Now describe how you want the poster to be like this. Let me type it and then explain. Now here you can describe the text features you want it to be in the poster here. But if you don't know the text feature, what you would do is just leave it like this. You can describe the color, everything. But if you don't know what to do, just leave it like this. Then send it here. Also, don't forget to add the aspect ratio you want it to be, depending on the social platform you are sending it here, like this. Now after typing it like this, after describing what you want it to be in the picture, the text feature, the color you want it to be, if you don't know, just leave it like this and then add the aspect ratio here. Now after typing it, send the message by clicking on this up arrow icon here for it to generate it here. And wait for it. And here is the result. You can see here. You can see how it designed a poster here. You can see how it look. Now here on the prompt, you can tell it how your logo, everything, even you can tell it the text you want to be, your logo text, your color, the color you want it to be. But if you don't know how to do it, just you can write only your logo before writing the aspect ratio in this logo, before writing the aspect ratio, before typing the aspect ratio you want it to be in. Now after it generates the picture, what to do, just click on this downloading here and download it. Now you can see, you can copy it, you can see the process, you can save it in. Here I'll click on download to download it. As you can see, I've downloaded it here. And here's the result. Now remove it. Tips to achieve a realistic photo. Here, in order to generate a realistic photo, make sure you select here create image, or you can just use ChatGPT here, but make sure you select generate image. If you can find this under ChatGPT here, if you can find this generate image 2.0 here, make sure you select these two features if you want to generate images here. Also, you can also start a new project, but make sure you subscribe to the premium package in order to use the 2.0, which is the latest ChatGPT image generating feature on board now. Also, in here on the screen, you can see the difference between ChatGPT Image 0.1 and ChatGPT Image 0.2, the photo difference. ChatGPT Image 0.20 generates perfect images and also can describe text perfectly. Also, you can see it on the screen. Now here you can see the difference here. In order to use ChatGPT for creativity market project, make sure you are using the latest version of ChatGPT here. As you can see, the image 2.0, which is the latest model on ChatGPT now. Make sure you are using it. Also, make sure you describe your prompt perfectly. As you can see here, I make it simple for you guys to understand how to do it. And here also, make sure the image or photo you are uploading for it to generate a poster, thumbnail, or any creativity image you want to create here, make sure you describe it perfectly looking at the picture. Now here, after doing everything, now here you can see how the result here I get here, because I'm using the 2.0 image generator, which is the latest version, which can describe everything perfectly. Now if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Add the playlist on the screen now to know how to use ChatGPT application, ChatGPT features. See you there and have a great day. Peace.